I'm from San Antonio. I live in an Ori expandable home. Before I lived here, I lived at home and I was looking for my own place to stay. I was looking for something that was affordable. I've been looking for actually 6 months, and I went from apartment to apartment, and this was my very last apartment I looked at, and it was the Pocket Studio that caught my attention and had me sign the lease. The studio with the Ori, it's something that's already functional, has the storage I need, and all I needed was a mattress to sleep on. It made the move-in process like ready to move in. There's so many good things about the Ori living. It's very functional, very spacious. So especially if you're, living in a studio apartment, the Pocket Studio really does help, giving you the sleep space that you need as well as your living and workspace. My space gives me all the things I need to do my work, do my workouts, and do some play. Seeing the features, how it works, that's what sold me on the apartment. I was like a kid in a toy store.